Hello everyone, welcome to Being ACCA. This is the video where I'm telling you people all about the revision batch schedule that I have prepared for the ACCA PM Performance Management students. It's going to be conducted by me. I'm Tushita Gupta. I'm an ACCA affiliate and I'm also the co-founder at Being ACCA. So now let me quickly walk you through what all we have in store as a part of the revision batch of the PM exam. So firstly, I'm going to start off with who this is for. So it's for anybody who is unfortunately having to appear for the paper again. Maybe you've appeared once or more and you have not been able to clear the exam, then this is for you. I'm going to help you understand where exactly you have gone wrong and how can you rectify those mistakes. So it's firstly for repeaters who are looking for fixing the past mistakes. Secondly, it's going to be helpful for anybody who is struggling to understand the concepts that are there in the PM paper. So if there are any specific weaker areas, I'm going to help you with that. Thirdly, it's going to be for those students who have probably self-studied the entire syllabus and now they're looking for a structured mentorship till the day of the exam. So it is for those who are in the search of a mentor. Now, this is who it is going to be useful for. Now, let's come to what all I'm going to do for you people as a part of this course. So as a part of this course, we are firstly going to have the access to the chapter-wise recorded revision sessions. Now, please bear in mind that this is not a full course where I'm going to teach you all the concepts from scratch. This is only a revision course. So I am going to be revising the concepts. I'm not going to help you understand the concept at the very first time. Okay, so if you are looking for a full course, this is not for you. This is a revision course. This is for somebody who already has covered the syllabus once, who has appeared for the paper once. So this is for those students. Now you're going to get these revision sessions chapter wise, and all the access that you have is going to be given till the day of the exam on the Being ACCA portal. So we have a dedicated learning management system where you people are going to have the access. You will be having your email and your password. You create an account there, and all of the the contents of this course are going to be available to you on the portal. Now, all 15 chapters that are there as part of the PM syllabus as per the Kaplan referencing. So the pocket notes with which I help you revise are also of Kaplan publishing. So we are going to have all 15 chapters given to you as a part of this course. Secondly, we are going to have one live session after every major topic to discuss your questions or any doubts that you people might have. So here we are dividing our entire PM syllabus into different units, and unit wise, I have kept one live session for each unit wherein we're going to discuss some questions. We will practice some questions. I'll do it together with you. And then you can also ask me any other queries. So this is what comes with it. And then the third aspect that you see here, you're going to have a question practice and evaluation for the last three past papers, which is going to be covered as a part of the schedule that I'm going to walk you through briefly after I talk about what all I'm covering here. Now, these are the first three highlights: live session, chapter-wise recording, as well as the last three past papers. Then what you're also getting along with this revision course is the access to my PM regular test series. So this is a this is a set of 6 topic-wise tests, as well as one full mock evaluation. So like I have told you people, I've divided the syllabus into 6 units. So each unit I prepare one test. These are questions you're not going to find out in any kit. You're not going to find it any past paper, in any examiner report, because these are questions that I have prepared on my own, basis my past experience, basis the recent exam pattern changes. Keeping all of that in mind, I have prepared these questions on my own. So you get to practice these 6 topic-wise tests. Each test, as per the schedule, will be released to you again on the portal. You submit your answers on the portal. I check and evaluate your copies. I send back your check copies also on the Being ACCA portal. So this is what is going to be in store for you for as part of the 6 topic-wise tests. Now, talking about the one final mock evaluation, this is going to be about the pre-September mock, which ACCA is going to release just before the exam. So this is the first mock, but this is not it. I am also going to give you one additional mock evaluation. So one mock evaluated, you work upon the feedback, and then you have the second mock also waiting for you to fix any mistakes that you made in the first mock so that you become foolproof till you reach the final day of the exam. So you have one additional mock. Then sixth point that you see is a one-on-one session with the mentor towards the later stage of preparation. So when you need me the most, when the exam is just around the corner, I'm going to have a one-on-one session where I discuss your status, I help you how to proceed further, I discuss with you any difficulties that you're facing, and I give you the solutions according to that. So it's going to be a one-on-one, just you and me, where I help you solve your problems. Then the seventh thing that you see is guidance and mentorship till the exam day. So in the middle of the time frame where this course begins, or even if you have already enrolled and then you face any difficulties, so you are going to get the WhatsApp support. You can always reach out to me via the WhatsApp business numbers that we have created. So there anything can be raised and we're going to help you fix that. So this is all that you get as a part of the PM revision course that we have for September 25 attempt. Now, why should you be going ahead with this batch? So there are a few things which actually make this batch unique. Firstly, we are trusted by hundreds and hundreds of students. You can go out to our Instagram page where we have posted some of the testimonials from our past students in the previous attempts. So lots of story highlights have been added where students have shared the feedback, how useful they found our, the services that we provide. So firstly, it's the trust of the students. Thanks to you people for trusting us. Secondly, it's the personalized mentorship that you people are getting access to from the experienced mentors like us. And third thing is that you get to focus on the recent past paper questions. And I tell you how the examiner marks your paper. So you also get to know in detail what the mindset of the examiner is all about. And then last, you also get the strategic test series as well as the double mock advantage. So not only are you revising and practicing everything, but at the same time, attempting some of the tests which questions nobody else is going to see, only you have the access to. So it's a strategic test series, and you also are given with a double mock advantage. You get to attempt two papers which are evaluated by me. So this is what makes this batch unique. It's going to help you proceed better with your exam, prepare better with your exam. Now, this is the detailed schedule which we are going to be following as a part of this course. So firstly, you can see, all the chapter referencing. I've already put in the name of the chapters alongside the date on which you are supposed to watch or go through the recordings of the revision sessions that are going to be provided to you. So 24, 25, 26, 27 till the 29th of July, each day is given to you to watch the recordings of all of these 6 chapters. Now, this batch or this course for revision that we are starting is from the 24th of July. This means that your immediate preceding month before the exam, your exam is in September, the immediate preceding month is August. So by August, you should be done with your syllabus, and a little bit of practice should have also been started. So 24th of July, you start off revising with the sequential chapters, all the chapters that you have done in the beginning as a part of the first unit. So first unit that I've created is the specialized costing techniques. 1 to 6, you cover all of the information that you need to solve the test pertaining to the specialized costing techniques. And then you have time until 29th of July, Tuesday, to watch all of this. And then on the test 1 that you people are going to have, you're going to have time until the 3rd of August, 8 a.m. IST, to submit your written answers on the portal. I've already told you how the evaluation works. You're going to upload your answers on the portal. I evaluate it, and I've sent your checked copies also back on the portal. So you get an automatic email that tells you that I have evaluated your copy and now you can review it. So the copy that I evaluate, you will also be able to see how many marks I've given you, where I've given you marks, where I've deducted marks, along with the feedback why marks have not been given to you. So this is about the timeline for the first test, and we have our live session where the second point that I told you, we're going to be having live sessions for each unit. So the first session is going to be held on the 29th of July, which is going to pertain to specialized costing techniques. Now, when this gets done, you are now ready to prepare for the second unit, which is going to be about the budgeting techniques. So here you have chapter 10 and 11 to prepare for. You're going to be given the access to the recordings. 3rd and 4th August, you spend time with that. 4th August in the evening, we meet for a live session to discuss any queries, any doubts, practice a few questions. And then on the 5th of August, 8 a.m. IST, you're supposed to submit to me the When Horse Pass paper I've written, where you'll be able to find it, so you are able to locate it easier. So you attempt it and you send it to me on the portal, and then test 2 is the deadline of the 6th of August, 8 a.m. IST. So you submit all of these tests in this particular sequence. Then you spend time with the third unit, which is the variance analysis. So on the 7th of August, you watch the recording for this chapter. 8th of August, we meet for a live session in the evening. And then test 3, you have to submit by 8 a.m. on the 10th of August. Now, the 4th and 5th tests pertain to decision making. So all the chapters that you need to revise to be able to attempt this test, I have scheduled it. You can see it's in front of you, 11th, 12th, and 13th. You people are going to practice the questions. 13th, 8 a.m. You're supposed to submit me these 2 questions, Global Scan and Daisy Company. And on the 13th evening, we are going to meet for a live session to discuss any queries or practice a few questions. Then test 4 and 5, you attempt as per the deadlines which have been provided here. And then the next unit, last unit, pertains to divisional performance, where all of these chapters, all of these questions are to be submitted as per the timelines mentioned. And test 6, you have to submit by 22nd of August. So we meet for a session last before your mock 1 on the 22nd of August 2025. So any residual queries pertaining to any area of the syllabus will be taken up here. Then by the 25th of August, 8 a.m., I want your final mocks to be submitted to me. And then 27th, you submit your mock 2. And finally, I will meet you on the 29th to discuss all the remaining parts, whichever thing is left, and then wishing you all the best along with a few last minute tips. So this is what I have in planned for as part of the revision course. And also one thing I forgot to mention is that after each test, once you submit your copy, like firstly talking about the first test, so 3rd of August, 8 a.m., you submit to me your papers. I take probably around 24 to 36 hours to get back with you for the evaluated answer scripts. And then once all of the evaluations are released, you people also get the access to detailed solutions as well as video debriefs. So all of the questions that are tested as a part of the tests that I have created, so all of these questions are going to be available to you in the form of a video solution. So I have debriefed these questions myself step by step, each question, so you can identify what mistake you made and how you can improve upon it. Still, if you face any difficulties, I'm always available via WhatsApp support. So this is what I haven't planned for anybody who wants to revise PM with me for the September 2025 exam. I wish you all the very best, and I'll see you.